Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Up to now I uploaded video lectures on the topic motion in two dimension or motion in a plane. In previous lectures, I discussed oblique projection on inclined plane. So here oblique projection on inclined plane, two types. One is up the inclined plane, second one is down the inclined plane. First, I considered up the inclined plane. In up the inclined plane, I discuss some relations in up the inclined plane. So that is first one time of flight, second one maximum height, third one range. So we need to find derivations of these three. So in last lecture I already discussed derivation of time of flight, and also I discussed one example problem based upon time of flight. So for better understanding, please go through previous lectures. So these lectures all are linked lectures. If you understood the previous lecture, then only you got a clear idea in further lectures. So I hope you understood this all previous lectures. Today we are going to discuss derivation of maximum height, whether inclined plane, oblique projection on inclined plane, that too up the inclined plane. So oblique projection, on inclined plane, that too up the inclined plane, up the inclined plane. So today we are going to discuss maximum height derivation. Already we discussed time of flight derivation. Maximum height. How to find maximum height? So here in this, okay, three parameters. Already first parameter I already discussed. So maximum height, how to find now? So this is we are going to discuss. First I consider inclined plane. So this is inclined plane I consider. So this is inclined plane, body projected like this. So this is x-axis. So whether this I consider, this is y-axis, y dash. This is x dash, x dash. This is angle alpha. This is angle theta. Okay, so whether it is resolved into two components, so this is g cos alpha, this is g sin alpha. Here angle is alpha according to geometry. Here alpha means here also angle alpha. So this is a point P here, this is the point P here, and so this is projected with initial velocity u bar. This is projected with initial velocity u bar. This is splits into two components. This is u cos theta. It splits into u cos theta, and vertical component is u sin theta. This is u sin theta. Vertical component is u sin theta. This is a diagram. Here this point we consider as O. This is point P. This I consider as point B. So this is a oblique projection on inclined plane, that too up the inclined plane. This moves from bottom to top. This is a bottom, bottom of inclined plane. This is top of inclined plane. So bottom to top we projected. That's why this is up the inclined plane. So how to find maximum height? For finding maximum height, the simple trick is there. For finding time of flight, trick is x, y is equal to 0. For finding maximum height, simple trick is velocity perpendicular to OB is 0. OB is 0. This is a trick. That means Vy is equal to 0. So at maximum height at point P, Vy is equal to 0 at P. So at P means P is here maximum height. Body reaches point P. It attains maximum height. It attains maximum height. It attains maximum height h. So this here Vy is equal to 0 according to kinematics equation. Kinematics equation Vy square minus Uy square is equal to 2Ay into xy. So that means Vy square means 0. Here Uy means, already you know, Ux is equal to U cos theta. Uy is equal to U sin theta. Ax is equal to minus G sin alpha. Ay is equal to minus G cos alpha. So these are these. So Vy is equal to 0 square, Uy is equal to U sin theta whole square 2 into Ay means minus G cos alpha. Xy means, here Sy means h, maximum height, h here. Sy means h here. So then from this U square sin square theta is equal to minus 2G cos alpha into h. So here minus going to be cancelled. So I want the h value. H value we got U square sin square theta by 2G cos alpha. So we got a maximum height formula. Maximum height formula. H is equal to U square sin square theta by 2G cos alpha. Here U means initial velocity. Theta means angle of projection. Theta means angle of projection. Alpha means inclined plane angle. Alpha means inclined plane angle. Theta means angle of projection. U means initial velocity. G means acceleration due to gravity. Here, whenever body projected up the inclined plane, maximum height attained by the body h is equal to U square sin square theta by 2G cos alpha. So this is a derivation of maximum height. So before we are going to discuss range, so I discuss a simple example problem based upon this height concept. So after completion of this problem, you got a clear idea. So example problem. What is example problem here? This is a formula, U square sin square theta by 2G cos alpha. Example number 2. If a person projected a stone up the inclined plane with an angle 60 degrees, and angle of projection is 60 degrees, or it may be you consider some 45 degrees. Angle of projection is 45 degrees. It's projected with velocity it's projected with velocity 20 root 2 meter per second, 20 root 2 meter per second. Then find maximum height. So 20, otherwise you consider just 20 meter per second, 20 meter per second. Then find maximum height h. So observe question carefully. What is given question? If a person projected a stone up the inclined plane, project a stone up the inclined plane with an angle 60 degrees. With an angle 60 degrees, that means angle of inclination or inclined plane angle of inclination or inclined plane angle. Inclined plane angle alpha is equal to 60 degrees. Next, angle of projection theta is equal to 45 degrees. Initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second. Then we need to find h value. What is the formula for h? I wrote here h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g cos alpha. U square means 20 into 20. Sin square theta means sin 45 by 2 into g value is 10 cos alpha value is 60 degrees. How to calculate ma? 20 into 20, 2 tens, 20, this 20 cancel. Okay, so 20 into sin square 45. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square, that means 1 by 2. By cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 cancel. What we got ma here? Height h is equal to 20 meters. So maximum height h is equal to, we got here 20 meters. So 20 meters is maximum height. Observe carefully. 20 into 20, 40. 40 into sin square 45. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by 2. So here 2 into 10, 20 cancel. This 20 into 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Both are going to be cancelled. We got maximum height h is equal to, we got 20 meters. So this is a solution for this question. I hope you understood this lecture. If you had any doubt, please mention in comment box. I'll correct it and rectify, and I made a further lectures based upon your doubts. So thank you so much.